Good morning, and good afternoon to every people who's watching the video. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can fix your Binance 403 error. So when you're facing this problem, if you're trying to go to Binance.com is not going to show you anything, it's just gonna say 403 error. And it's just going to show you some small words thing in a paragraph, right? So in the short term, it means you are not able to access Binance. So there's multiple reasons behind this. And I'm going to be telling you why. So the first reason is, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple, for future videos just like this. Alright, without any further ado, let's move on to the main reason of this video. So the first reason could be if Binance is banned in your country. So if Binance is banned in your country, and you're trying to access it, then of course, it's going to say 403 error. So the only way to fix this is use a VPN and connect to a country where Binance is not banned, and then try to access the Binance website, then it should work. And the other thing is, sometimes their internet is slow, and it's not able to access Binance website, then it's just going to show you 403 error. In case of that, you just need to check your internet connection and connect to a stable internet connection. You can do anything else more than that. Alright? And in other case, let's say you try to access Finance and Finance is under maintenance. So Finance is a website. So sometimes, you need to repair your website. So Binance is under maintenance, and you're trying to access the website at the same time, then it's not going to work. And the only way to fix it is wait until Binance fixes the problem and opens the website again. So in that case, the only thing you can do is wait. So there's 3 reasons if Binance is banned, or if your internet connection is slow, or if Binance is under maintenance. And I told you how we guys can tackle this problem for 3 of these conditions. So hope you guys understand how you guys can face or fix this 403 error in Binance. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.